design of the machine becomes so odious, makes you so sick at heart that you can't take part. You can't even passively take part. And you've got to put your bodies upon the gears and upon the wheels, upon the levers, upon all the apparatus, and you've got to make it stop.
First, let me start by saying Mario Savio's Operation of the Machine is one of my favorite speeches of all time. Mario wasn't a politician or some famous Hollywood star. He was just a student who was for civil rights. He stood on a car at Berkeley and screamed whatever came into his head. He didn't care that he had a stuttering problem or that he might get thrown out of school, which he did. He just wanted his voice to be heard and be unencumbered by the machine. As an investigative writer that has yet to be officially published, I can relate to Mario's desire. That's me behind the wheel, Jay Bahadur, proud college graduate of the class of 2007. Arguably the worst year since the Great Depression to graduate school, but timing was never my strength. In fact, good timing seems to be at odds with my very existence. But like many unpleasantries in life, you just learn to deal with it.
Yo, hey man. Is Mark Reese here?
Reese? Oh, he left.
Shit, really?
Yeah.
Damn it, he was supposed to be here.
It's kind of lousy out if you didn't notice. He left early. But are you interviewing for a stock boy or?
Me? No. My name is Jay Bahadur. I'm doing market research on premium napkins. Mind if I ask you a few questions?
Your name isn't even on here.
I assure you, I am legit.
You drove all the way from Toronto to ask questions about napkins?
Premium napkins.
Thought my job sucked.
Could you show me your paper product aisle?
But I'm just kind of busy.
NYD 6-pack. NYD 6-pack.
This thing's not like me. Okay. Is there a reason why these 6-pack Paisley napkins are here and not here? It's not a trick question.
I think because it was just easier putting them on the floor than on the top shelf.
And would making our packaging more festive make you consider moving the premium napkins to the top shelf? You're probably thinking that a person with my intellectual capacity would loathe waiting for that gentleman's answer to my question. But actually, I feel quite the contrary.
I'll just leave them on the bottom shelf, man. It's less work.
Less work. Understanding what drives a mind to react the way it does to things never ceases to amaze me. My careful documentation of this one man's opinion could, in its own way, reshape the patterns of napkins on every home on this street. Including that one. My ex-high school girlfriend, Tracy Zacconi's house. The darkened second-floor window, just a reminder that she now resides 1,825 miles away at Stanford. And I know it's 1,825 miles away because I have an obsession with Google Maps, not with my ex-high school girlfriend. I was raised as a non-practicing Hindu Christian half-Indian living at this address. This is the home of Kailash and Mariah Bahadur. My well-laid-out graduation plan was only to visit my former residence on festive holidays such as Canadian Thanksgiving and Christmas, perhaps offering my skills at turkey basting or tree trimming. But this was 2008. Plans evaporated. Upon my graduation from the esteemed University of Toronto, my parents had decided to give me my own mailbox. They saw it as a way in which to somehow legitimize my residence in their basement. The funny thing was that the mailman refused to deliver my mail there, so Mom would sort the mail and deliver it herself after each delivery. Dear Mr. Bahadur, the editorial staff at Vanity Fair has reviewed your story submission, and we, unfortunately, do not feel it's something we would like our magazine to pursue at this time. We wish you the best of luck at other publications, blah fucking blah. Why do all rejection letters have the word unfortunately in the first sentence? Surely there is a more original adverb to toss in there.
I vow that I will never write for a publication that uses the word unfortunately in their first sentence. I am better than that.
Come on.
Jared! 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 Is that my Red Bull?
No.
Look at me.
Mom says you gotta shovel the snow in the driveway so Dad can get in.
Me? You're not doing anything.
Doing homework.
Where's Mom?
The elusive pink fairy armadillo has been known to
Mom!
sand at the
Mom!
Yeah,
Why do I have to shovel the driveway?
your father and I discussed this with you, Jay, about ways for you to contribute rent, remember? And I'm so sorry about your rejection letter.
migration stuff.
What do you like, earning some extra allowance or something?
I'm starting to wonder why I didn't commit teen suicide when I could.
Amen.
Yo, bro, you wanna like hit Parrots with us?
Can't. I gotta submit my research numbers. They gotta be in Chicago by tomorrow.
Then fake it.
I can't, man. They figure out all sorts of stuff based off my results.
Like what?
Like what holiday paisley's are popular and stuff.
Okay, bro, you lost me.
Journalistic integrity. It's gonna be worth something on the resume when I apply to Harvard's journalism school.
Right.
Hey, I got an idea for a story I'm gonna submit. Came to me when I was listening to CBC radio today.
What's the angle?
The end of the comedic dictator. Kim Jong is on his deathbed, and once he goes, where's the dictator comedy gonna come from?
Mahmoud Ahmadinejad. He's funny and very alive.
He's not funny.
He's a little funny.
He's a little funny, but no one can pronounce his name.
Your story is flawed, bro.
You guys want to hear something fucked up? Tracy's getting engaged.
Where did you hear that shit?
Kate, she said she saw it posted on Facebook. She's gonna marry her lit professor.
No way. Tracy is repulsed by older men.
You were older.
2 years is not older, man.
That's a little bit older.
Fuck you, Crow.
Hey, are you sure you don't want to hit Parrots with us?
Nah, dude, I gotta...
Do some shit nobody gives a fuck about?
Exactly.
All right, well, that is your loss. But if you change your mind, please hit us up.
You got it. Later, dudes.
See you, buddy.
See ya.
Fucking moron.
What?
Name's Bahadur. Here to see Dr. Fleshman about my back.
Have you ever been here before?
No?
All right, you'll just need to fill out these forms.
Right.
You okay?
Yeah, I just hurt my back. Figured I'd get a jump on being a senior citizen.
Yeah.
So you busting on gray hairs to make a move on Caitlin, eh?
Excuse me?
That's all right, I understand. I'd take down all of humanity just to bang her.
Seymour.
Ooh. I was just talking. I'm trying to keep it a level playing field.
Yeah,
You
leave
know
him
what I'm
alone.
saying? Sorry. What happened to your back?
Shoveling.
Shoveling?
Yeah.
I got shrapnel. Moving around the vertebrae. It's a bitch.
That sounds like I got the better end of the deal in here.
Oh, bullshit. Shoveling? I hate shoveling. Pointless, waste of time, no? Name's Seymour Tobin. Oh, sorry.
Wait. Seymour Tobin?
Yeah.
Who writes for the Daily Mail?
Wrote. I'm retired, sorta. But that's right, that's me.
Holy fuck. You are one of my favorite journalists of all time.
Come on. You Facebook people have favorite journalists.
You were one of the first reporters who had the guts to report the Battle of Hong Kong as a loss.
That's... So you're a journalist?
No, well, I mean, yeah, I want to be, but I can't. I just, I haven't taken, I never took a class. But I'm thinking about going back to get a degree. Harvard is the goal.
How could you say something stupid like that?
Why
do you think journalism is a pile of People magazine? She got cellulite on a dumpster crap right now. Journalism isn't taught, it's innate. You know what I'm saying? You think the shrapnel in my back landed there because I was using my head? No way.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying fuck Harvard, is what I'm saying. Fuck Harvard. You want to make it as some big swinging dick journalist. You gotta go somewhere fucking crazy.
Somewhere where Western reporters would consider it too dangerous to go. Like, write as a stringer from there, get a book going. It's the only way out.
That makes sense, man. That makes sense. Where are you thinking of going?
Somalia.
Hmm? I bought an umbrella from a Somali once.
What does that mean?
That means where's the fucking conflict besides the fact that they machete reporters to death?
In Somalia, the seeds of democracy are growing amidst anarchy. I did a paper on it my freshman year.
So?
So, it's a misunderstood place.
Bro, democracy is not topical. Nobody wants to understand Somalia.
Did you know, in Somaliland, they held an election where the minority clan won the presidential office by 80 votes, and there was no violence. The transition of power was peaceful.
It was peaceful because nobody bothered reporting on it. Hey, you need to listen to me. You want conflict? You want to tell the story from both sides? Go to Sudan. There's your ticket. Not Somalia.
I don't know, man. I got a good grade on that paper. Somalia and me are copacetic.
Is it Mr. Trey Williamson here?
Just left.
Really? My name is Jay Bahadur. I'm here to conduct a marketing research.
There's the guy eating Doritos in my aisle.
That's my associate, Mr. Felcher.
I have to clean that shit up. I'm so sorry, man.
Would you please
continue, Maestro?
refrain from eating in this poor man's aisle and just start to pick that up?
I got it.
Thank you.
I got it.
And where's your napkin aisle?
Aisle 7. Hey, Jay, I think you should check this shit out.
I thought we agreed you would be silent, bro.
No, bro, I really think you should check this out.
Would you excuse me for a moment? Thank you.
The rebels, who Kenyan officials liken to seagoing pirates, have taken captive the MV Faina, a Ukrainian vessel off the Somalia coast, and they're demanding an untold ransom. Our correspondent, Mitch Kelp, has more on the story from outside the U.S. Embassy in Nairobi. Mitch, what more can you tell us?
Well, Chrissy, not a whole lot. We are going off an official press release from the Kenyan government. We don't have a single source in Somalia, and I'm sure as shit not going to get my arse shot over there trying to find out what will possess these crackheads to take an unarmed tanker.
Well, Mitch, word here is our corporate insurance policy wouldn't cover you in that hellhole. And they'd hate to have a lawsuit from your family on their hands when they mail you back in pieces.
Thank corporate for being so considerate, Chrissy. Back to you.
So, until we can find one crazy motherfucker to head over to Somalia and find out what's going on, we'll continue to take uneducated guesses as to who these pirates are. BADAN, answer the phone!
Hello?
Hello? Is this Mr. J. Bahadur?
Yeah?
This is Mohammed Farol from Radio Garowe over in Somalia. I got your email. So you are wanting to come to Somalia for a book. You are writing on the pirates, and you are looking for people to talk to here, right?
Yes, exactly.
I must say that is more than any other reporter has been willing to do. You are the first Westerner to actually ask to come see what's going on here.
That's unfortunate.
Yes, it's true. I'll have a conversation with my father to accommodate your request.
Okay. And, you think your father will be able to make this happen?
I will hope so. He's our president.
Assalamu alaikum. That's Somali for hello. I suggest you learn it, Bahadur. I'm out of cigars. Room walk with me?
Okay. Yeah, this guy Follow, they called. I just sent out some feelers to a few Somali news services, and boom.
The president's son calls you back.
Yes. I never get a break like that, never.
You create your own reality, Chief.
Well, if that was true, we would all live in a solipsistic universe where we could do whatever we wanted without any further consequences.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Michael Topper, author of Channeling UFOs in the Positive Negative Realms Beyond This World?
You read too much. Fuck more girls instead. Speaking of which, I read that writing sample you gave me.
Bad?
Why the fuck would you write a piece on how to get away without paying parking tickets?
I thought people would laugh.
Laugh. Parking tickets pay for the roads. The roads get you out of this shithole.
So you hated it?
No. Actually, I liked it. It's not the second coming of Hunter S. Thompson, but you're right, with a good conscience.
You think?
Yeah. Don't let go to your head. Bro. So, Avril Benoit. You know who she is?
Yeah. She's on CBC Radio. She did a great report on Kenya a few weeks ago.
Exactly. She's a friend of mine. I want to put you in contact with her.
Okay.
She's a good one for feeding pages to. So, you got a book outline?
No.
Wrong. You're formulating one, okay?
I haven't. I mean, this is all happening so fast. I Googled Somalia Press, found Fadale's name, and sent out a blind email. I had no idea this was going to blow up. None.
Father, you got a book outline?
No, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Stop. Try again. You got a book outline?
I'm formulating it.
I knew you'd get it on the third try. Come on, let's go. So, how much do you know about Somalia?
Well, I did a term paper on it my freshman year at university, so.
That's good. Don't tell me the grade. It's a start. Immerse yourself in it. You dig cigars?
I never understood cigars.
That's clever, don't you think, yo? Okay. Save this. By the time this thing is over, you will. Yo, thank you. What else don't you understand? I need to know that.
The Jays are going to lose Burnett to the Yanks. They offered him $82.5 million over 5 years.
I have an announcement.
What kind of announcement?
Yes. What kind?
I'm gonna go to Somalia and
gonna write a book on the pirates. Try to get some stories published.
Somalia.
I know what you're thinking. I know you're thinking it's batshit crazy, but I think this is the only way for me to become a journalist.
AIDS.
AIDS.
Isn't that a problem there?
I believe so, but I'm going to write about the pirates, Dad, not sleep with them. Excuse me. It's my Somali contact.
Assalamu alaikum.
Shifted?
He needs to do more yoga. His shoulders are bad.
Assalamu. Ciao.
You okay, sweetheart?
Yeah, I'm okay. I was wrong, though.
Wrong?
Yeah, apparently there's an additional $500 security deposit I didn't account for.
500?
Security deposit.
Yeah, it's just for, for like vehicles and such. Insurance policies, things like that. Can I borrow $500?
Welcome aboard Flight 823, now departing for Frankfurt. At this time, we'd like you to put away
Excuse me,
all
sir.
your electronic devices.
All cell phones must be off.
It's just my final words to my ex-girlfriend before I head to Somalia. I'm basically looking for a little sympathy, maybe a wow. Personally, between me and you, I'd settle for an LOL.
Off, please.
Right, sorry. I want to take a moment now to say that not all the characters in this film are exactly like they are in real life, except for that stewardess. I felt she needed to be depicted completely accurately in her total lack of empathy for my pain.
Thankfully, I only had to spend the next 8 hours of my journey with her. And then I'd get a new stewardess. And then another stewardess. And then another. In fact, I might have set a connecting flight record to Somalia. But see, this was all part of my master plan. A fixed budget that would allow me to write my book. And unlike several of my predecessors who ventured to where that flag is, I'd stay alive as kidnapping and killing journalists had become an unfortunate trend here.
Tracy?
I thought you were repulsed by older men! Believe it or not, that is what I consider a mild Tracy nightmare.
Sorry, man.
In order to clear my mind of its negativity, I'll take a moment now to focus on the less fortunate than myself. The people of Somalia. Hard to believe this land was once known as a nation of poets. Throughout their history, the Somali poet was counted on to defend a clan's honor. They used poems and persuasion in lieu of weapons to settle disputes. But in the 20th century, times changed. Both the English and the Italians attempted to colonize them. They introduced guns into battle, and although Somalia valiantly refused to succumb, the scars of war never relented. Somalia's recent civil war had caused over 1 million people to flee to neighboring countries as refugees. Those who stayed faced droughts, floods, famine, feuding clan battles, and jihad. Their newly elected president, Fadale, had his hands full, especially when you threw in the pirates. I arrived at my destination city of Garowe, and into the fire I plunged. Or as my Somali translation book said, Dabka.
Mr. Badur. Mr. Badur.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to KII.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, I am Abdrazak. You call me Abdi, I am your translator.
Cool, good to meet you.
Good to meet you. Yes. How's your flight?
It's good.
It's good. Oh, please don't do that with your finger here. Yes. Oh, please.
Oh, no. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
It's offensive.
I'll keep the thumbs in check. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Your English is great.
It's not perfect. I tried to learn from you during your stay, Mr. Badur.
Oh, please call me Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Okay. Jay, one bag?
Yeah, one bag.
Oh, you like Obama, a man that knows what he wants.
You know Obama?
Of course, he will be a great leader for your people.
I'm Canadian. He's not my leader.
Of course he is. Your people just don't know it. Come. That's it. So I hear you are an author and journalist.
Yes.
Good, good. There is so much to write about in this country. What is your subject?
In a perfect world, I'd be writing about your newfound democracy, but given the fact that the West has broken off all relations with you, I'm here to write about your pirates.
You mean Badadaha Bada?
Bada binda bada. What is that?
It means saviors of the sea. They are like Coast Guard. You can never call them pirates.
Okay. Good to know.
They have very strong opinion on this. Never pirates.
Are they easy to find?
Yes, of course. They are people with crazy money.
So they walk freely?
Yes. But our new president, Parole, has promised to change this. He is a very tough man who will bring much change. Yes, yes.
It's okay?
Yes, yes. Sometimes I feel like father with little children. They need cat.
Cat?
Yes, we must stop up here.
In Somalia 1 hour and already shooting my first drug deal. My kind of country. So, khat is a drug?
Yes, it's a stimulant leaf from Kenya and Ethiopia. It's very addictive. Big problem here.
What's he saying?
He wants to know if you want to buy some.
Oh, no, sorry. What a very fixed budget. I didn't account for drug money. I don't have any.
لعد دروكم حسابتون.
وزاي ساتما. كانوا هربوا نجوا أنا وقاعد أول بوشك. أنا جيب فيك السياحي. أنا غوتيني.
He wants you to try it. He won't kill you. It's just bite down.
What's the effects?
Makes some people want to have sex. Others very talkative.
Tricia was a great girl, but, you know, what are you going to do? She moves on, I move on. I really doubt we'll ever even talk again. I mean, why bother, right? Seems like a waste of time. I mean, it's just going to confuse things and make it more difficult.
Man and woman can't be friends.
Exactly. Exactly. That's the same over here?
Yes, it's universal thought.
See, where I come from, they debate it. They debate it like morons, like idiots.
It's not a debate. It's fact. We're reaching a checkpoint. Please stay calm. ساعة فرولا وشقينا ما قرأتي كان فرولا مرتوية ما دقة نقدر أو أحكي لنا وتنجاري ما مرتوي شوية إنك بدر صدا أدرك ولا أنا سيجي
Mr. Bahadur, so the woe.
Hi.
So we finally meet face to face, huh?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Abdi, Setai, Fiansoa. You are younger than I pictured. So much. Western reporters to me are always so fucking unhappy.
Well, I get even better once a shower.
Come on. has Abdi been good to you?
Yes, mad good. Yeah.
He's the best translator in all of Woodland, you know?
Oh, no, really?
Yeah, we stole him from the pirates.
Oh, you mean, Bada Data Bada?
Abdi, did you teach him this? This is not our coast guard, Abdi. They are pirates. You must forget the old guys thinking. They are pirates.
Pirates?
Ha. مرة بحسسناه. Mr. J.
Hi.
So, what do you think of the radio Garowe in Israel?
Nice.
Does it look like the ones in Canada?
Yes. Yes, it does. A bit.
It's amazing, huh?
Is it a local station or?
1 minute.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, mostly it's local, but you know, the guy is very famous. He used to work for
This guy? Famous?
Ha, Abbe. Wela jooga, haye. That was my father's office. He wants to meet us now.
Your father, the president?
Yeah, we must go now.
Fuck.
Pirates are not the most cooperative group to deal with. Look here. The main pirates clan are dotted around here.
Ale.
You know Ale?
Yeah, that's where they took the Fahina and held it for 6 months.
Precisely. Ale is a fishing town where they started. I'm working on getting you a meeting with Boya.
Boya?
Yes, he's a man Somali calls Robin Hood.
Robin Hood of pirates.
But it could take some time.
How much time?
Days, maybe weeks. Is that the problem?
No. That's fine. That's
No?
totally fine. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah, I'll call my publisher and make sure it's all set. Finances, extending it and everything.
My father just got in here a couple of weeks ago. The transition of government was entirely peaceful. Setting. Abe.
في عنا حالات كمان.
Setay.
كمان.
Abe معنا.
أبا.
هاي. وفرح سنة عرفت هذا.
فرحنا وفي عندي مو.
الحمد لله.
وانقل.
Abe, this is reporter J. Bahadur.
It's an honor to meet you, Your Excellency.
Welcome, Mr. Bahadur. So, my son tells me you're the next Mr. Bob Woodward.
I'm not so sure about that.
Why aren't you sure? You have made it farther into Somalia than any of your Western counterparts.
With all due respect, I've always considered myself more of a Bernstein than a Woodward. Bernstein was ugly as hell and never got through college. Overcame his shortcomings. I find that admirable.
He's a funny guy.
Very funny.
I would like to introduce you to Colonel Omar. He will be the head of the security team during your stay.
Welcome.
Pleasure to meet you, Colonel.
I will protect you well, Mr. Bahadur.
Wad Mahasantahe.
You're welcome.
You have learned some Somali.
Enough to be a bad tourist. Is this okay?
Of course, that's why you're here. My family and I spent our last 8 years in Australia. And we...
Sorry. I'm so sorry, Your Excellency. I'm just, trying to get this dang thing working here. Good to go.
The people of Somalia asked me to come back here and to run for this office. I never saw myself being the president. I am a businessman. I am not a warrior like my predecessors. But here I'm fighting to bring justice to those who destroy our country. Have you seen a school since you have come here, Mr. Bahadur?
No. I must admit I haven't.
We have the fewest schools in the African nations. Do you know how hard it is to rule here with a PhD, knowing the children I lead have no chance for an education? Their role models of success are pirates. The Western world thinks we encourage this. These must change. Do you have a title yet?
A title?
On a future best-selling book?
Oh,
Yes, of course. Pirates.
That's shit title. Just pirates?
Pirates of Somalia.
Be more creative. Be more creative. Yeah.
Creative. Yes. Creative.
Yeah.
You're right.
Jay, you know, my father likes you.
Oh, you think so?
Yes, yes.
All right.
He knows you will bring great things here.
What if I don't?
Yeah? How can you not when people read your bestseller?
Oh.
Have you found Boya yet? You must be patient, man.
Yeah.
He will show up. He can and have this alligator. They're gonna take you to your accommodations.
Wow. Thank you so much for everything.
That's the beginning of a better Somali, G.
Yes, I certainly hope so.
Yes. Have a good night.
You too. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Welcome, welcome. Yeah. You'll be here the next 6 months.
Great.
Yes. It's my cousin, Abdurrahman.
Hi. Jay. I'll work on that. Nice to meet you.
We call him the yellow chair.
Yellow chair.
Yes, this
Yellow
people
chair. I get it.
crazy, yes.
I get it. That's good.
Hey, Adnan.
Hi.
I tell them you're a white ghost.
Why the fuck did you do that, man?
They've never seen a white man before. It's okay, they are my sister kids. I live up there.
All right. Third floor.
Yes. It's usually very quiet here.
Okay, that's great.
Although it gets hot from the sun. And thanks to you, we are the only people with internet.
What?
Yes, that alone is worth you being my guest. Thank you.
Glad I could be of some service to you.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice soul. So, yes, I need to advise you keep that close.
Really?
All the time. The orders from the Colonel Omar.
He's not into sunshine?
He's into keeping you alive.
Fair enough. Oh, cute.
And yes, we're very sorry. No hot water. Welcome to Somalia, yeah.
No worries, I'll make do. I was thinking about growing it out. What do you think?
Oh, hair on the face. It's very popular here.
Yeah?
Yes.
Good. That's great.
Good idea. You have a mosquito net?
I do, definitely.
Good. Malaria is very rampant here, as well as rats. So, any valuable, any food, you must keep it inside the box.
Cool. Just like camp. Well, thanks for everything, Amdi.
Yes, welcome. Good night. Anything you need, let me know.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Oh, one last thing. I kind of like to work with things taped on the walls. Is that okay?
Oh, it's okay, as long as no pornographic. Yeah.
Not a problem.
Because small little kids come walking.
Yeah.
Somehow.
No. Please, yeah.
Okay. Bye.
All right, Mahat Saeed, yeah.
Good night.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Night. Can't open the fucking window.
Et si tu n'existais pas, j'essaierais d'inventer l'amour comme un peintre qui voit sous ses doigts naître les couleurs du jour et qui n'en revient pas.
Walk over here. Oh, shit.
Garowe, Somalia. December 10th, 2008. A view from my room. I've broken security measures and opened my window.
Opening the windows. You got a knack for living dangerously, bro.
Sorry, man. Totally worth it. That girl was mad hot.
She's one of Grad's wives.
Who's Grad?
Grad, he's a pirate and he's one of the most powerful men in all of Puntland.
Really?
Her name is Marian.
Marian?
She sells cat in the market.
Whoa, cat dealer?
That's where all these pretty girls are going to sell cat.
Is it possible to conduct an interview with her?
With her, it's not advisable.
How do we meet Garad?
Garad?
Yeah.
No. We are avoiding this guy.
No. Dude, I didn't come here to avoid.
He's dangerous. He's a very dangerous man, so...
And Boya isn't? Come on.
Well, you'll find out, Boya.
What does that mean?
We're going now. Let's go.
Now?
I set up a meeting. Yes. Now.
Shit, let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Riur.
Halo.
Ayo.
Hasan maxaa ya boy?
Aqoon gabyar baa igu dhacayniyo ayaan. Galab wanaagsan.
Where's it going?
Now, me and you meet him under the tree.
Okay. You know those outer-body experiences where you look around and say, this shit isn't happening to me? My only one I could compare it to is when I got pulled over for speeding in Kitchener. Cop asked me to step out of the car because I had a blunt in the ashtray.
What is a blunt?
You know, grass, marijuana.
That isn't tolerated in America?
I'm Canadian.
Sorry, brother. I forget.
Well, please don't forget when I get shot here. I want my body sent to the right country.
No one will shoot you.
BAME, whatever.
No. He wants to know what's your shirt.
My shirt?
Yes.
This is a Blue Jays shirt. It's the baseball team in Toronto.
waxa weeye kooxda Toronto u ciyaarta Blue Jays oo baseball ka ciyaarta.
Way yaqaata numberka 15.
He wants to know who wears the number 15.
15? That's my man, Alex Rios. He's what you call a 5-tool player. No one can touch him, in my opinion.
Waa ninka saaxiibkiis oo nin aad ugu dambeeyo weeye Alex Rio baa la yiraahdaa.
Numberka 5 Soomaalida oo dhan aad bay ugu weyn.
Is that as Somali people, the number 5 is very important.
oo 5 waqti oo salaada ayaynu tukanaa. Waxaana la sheegaa beenaalo inuu 5 diina leeyahay.
As we pray 5 times a day, and they say the liar has 5 religions.
Maybe that 5 explains why Rios is such a monster. All right. So, Boya, Westerners call you a pirate.
Boyo, wuxuu ku yidhi reer galbeedka
maahi burcad qeer waxaan ahay nin baddiisa ilaalshanay.
He's saying he's not a pirate. He is someone defending his oceans.
Badbadinta badan?
Yes.
Yeah. Waxaan ahaa ka kalluumaysta badda Eyl.
He was a lobster diver from Eyl.
Waxaa soo maray Chinese-ka, Taiwan-ka, Korean-ka.
The Westerners come, Chinese, the Koreans,
oo wixii ku jiray badda oo dhan jib qaatay.
And they overfish the waters.
Waxay wataan dabino waaweyn oo baabi'iyey wax walba ku jira.
So they must pay for their illegal actions.
So you attack their fishing vessels?
dee cashuurtii badaha ay dawladda ka qaadi jirtay baan anigu ka qaada.
He takes the taxes that the government's supposed to take. That's all he's doing.
weligoodna qofna ma ay dilin.
And they never kill anyone.
Never?
Maaha kuway.
Yes, he said never, not his men.
Who are your merry men? Or men? Just say men.
Oh, Yahweh, Ragag.
Waa 500 oo joogta magaalada Eyl.
It's 500 men based in Eyl.
Aniga isku soo aruuriyey isla markaana siiya mushaaradooda ahna taliyahooda guud ee dagaalka.
He's the one that gathered them together, and he's also the one that pays them their wages.
Wow. Impressive. So, how do you pick someone worthy of your confederation?
qofku waa inuu leeyahay qorigiisa inuu leeyahay isla markaana uu diyaar u yahay inuu dhinto.
First, he must own his own gun. That's why he showed you the gun.
Right.
And they must be ready to die.
War wax qaada miyuu wataa?
He wants to know if you have caught for him.
Caught? No, sorry, no, I'm, what? What the fuck? What just happened?
You're supposed to bring the cart to him.
I'm supposed to bring drugs to this interview?
You should know.
You didn't tell me that? How am I supposed to know that?
You didn't research it?
It's not on fucking Google, man. I don't know what to tell you.
You don't come to pirates and with no cart.
Great.
Jay Badur. Now you know.
CBC Avril Benoit's office.
Hi, this is Jay Bahadur.
Calling for Miss Benoit. I believe she's expecting my call.
One moment, please. Avril, I have a Jay Bahadur on the line. He says you're expecting his call.
I don't know a Jay Bahadur.
Okay. I'm sorry, she can't be reached at the moment. Can she return, Mr. Bahadur?
No.
It'd be impossible to return. I need to talk now. It's critical.
Well, unfortunately, she's unavailable.
No, please. What's your name?
Beth?
Beth! Hey, Beth. There's gonna be a moment when you're not on that desk screening calls and you're gonna need a break. A single tiny break from an assistant on the other end. And that karma is gonna be paid off by giving me a break in this very moment.
You think it gets me a raise?
Just tell her that I'm in Somalia.
Okay, fine. You win. Jay Bahadur says he's calling from Somalia.
Oh, shit. Jesus, yeah, I'll take it. Hello, this is Avril Benoit.
Hi, Miss Benoit. This is Jay Bahadur. I believe Seymour told you about me.
Yes. Are you really calling from Somalia?
Yes, I'm in Garowe. All them's intact.
Yes.
Look, I sent you a proposal regarding a book I'm writing on the pirates. I don't know if you had a chance to review it.
I'm gonna be honest with you, Jay, I haven't. Are you really there?
Yes, I am. I'm being hosted by President Falalei's son.
Right, this is unreal.
No one's in there. CNN, BBC, no one.
Yeah, I know. Oh, shit.
The fuck was that?
10 minutes, my phone card's out.
I'm tagging along with a pirate the locals claim is like Robin Hood. He runs this huge operation out of Ale. It is my hope that I can be a stringer with you, and if you really see something in the pages, you can help me get a book deal.
Will you read my pages?
Yes.
Yes! Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm a huge fan, but...
He said he was a lobster packer from Ain. Waxaa soo maray Chinese-ka, Taiwan-ka, Korean-ka. Westerners come, Korean. They all come. They need ships.
Come on!
You're a good wingman, Assad.
Nice. Nice, buddy. Yes! What? What does that mean? Keep your eyes on her, man. Chair. You took the chair. You took the chair.
For the record, I am a complete and utter disbeliever in destiny bringing two lovers together. It is a merely mathematical probability that you will meet the ultimate girl of your dreams in your lifetime. These odds are increased slightly by reckless behavior and naivete. That is how I met Mariam. Assalamu alaikum, Jay.
Assalamu alaikum, Marian.
Alak Dakat.
Yes, I see you in the window.
You speak English.
A little.
Where did you learn?
I watch a lot of American movies.
Movies.
Yeah, I love.
That makes two of us.
Yes?
Yeah. I've got movie posters all over my room. What's your favorite movie?
I like G.I. Jane.
Really?
Yeah, I like Demi Moore. She's a very tough woman.
Yeah, especially with that buzz cut. Super butch. I'm sure Demi Moore would be honored, though, to have a Somali fan club.
The movie I think is very wrong is Black Hawk Down.
Because it's about what went down in Mogadishu?
No, because it's about our people and they do not use a single person from Somalia in it. It's wrong.
I didn't know that.
Yes. Derka Mohammed Jihad. That's what they were doing the whole pathetic film.
You just did Team America. That's crazy.
Yeah, Team America said many smart things.
This conversation is getting surreal.
You know, this city talks about you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What are they saying?
They're saying you're here to expose the truth about BADAN to Badaha.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Well, I mean, I am trying. But, what do you think about them?
I'm not the person to ask. I'm married to one.
God.
So you know.
I know, yeah. He's a very powerful man. I'm trying to meet him.
Yeah, you and I both want that meeting.
You don't see him much?
Not since I'm married to him, no.
Well, you'd be a better treasure than anything he'd find on one of those ships.
That's an American movie line.
Yes. Maybe. I don't know. But it's good, though, right? True.
You here for Qad, yes?
Yeah.
So, How much do you want?
I don't know. You take foreign money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. How much will this get me?
Wow. Enough to make you crazy.
Yeah. I'm talking about.
Jay.
I think it's time to see Boya again.
This is cod.
No, it's spinach. Yes, it's cod.
Biggie there, and like Papa been school since those were under
So, tell me, Boya, how do you attack?
Sidee wax u weerartaa?
Garowe sahal sida wax u weerarno.
We attack in a small group.
Koox yar yar oo wada socda ayaynu badda u dirnaa.
And we circle them like wolves.
I know you sick of this lame brand nigga with flows, girl, stay deep, sweet like licorice. So get with this, nigga, it's
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Jay? Can you see me okay?
Yeah, it's, I can. It's kind of a bad connection.
Yeah, damn technology, eh?
Yeah, do you want to call me back, maybe?
No, I can't. Kind of pressed for time right now.
Okay. Did you get a response on my pages?
Yeah, unfortunately, not everyone here is sharing the enthusiasm I've got for them.
Did you say unfortunately?
Yes?
Shit.
My colleagues feel that as a book, it's missing a hook.
A hook? Boya is Captain fucking Hook, minus the eye patch.
I know, I'm shocked as you are. The material you're getting is incredible. I didn't see this coming. Look, the 3 top-selling books this year are Twilight, New Moon, and Breaking Dawn. So don't take it personal. We're all up against vampires, okay?
Personal, Avril, these people are desperate. No one is willing to listen to what they have to say.
I'm sorry, Jay, I really am. Just know that I'm on your side, okay?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Look, I don't know if you'd be interested, but I've heard that CBS is willing to pay $1,000 for any video of hostages on the ships.
Is this your way of saying it's a dead end with your contacts?
No, I know it's crazy and borderline sensationalism, but it could really get you out there. It could help sell this book. Plus, I know money must be tight for you right now. I've been there.
Right.
Just keep at it, Jay. I'm going to continue to push for you on this end. There's a book here.
Okay. Okay, thanks, Avril.
One more little piece of advice. you might want to organize your cards a little better. It's a pet peeve of mine. I find it makes your flow of thoughts more concise.
Hey, bro.
Jay.
Can we talk?
No.
Yeah.
Come.
Thanks. Thanks, man. How you doing? Sorry to wake you up, man. Just having a hard time here, you know. I trust you, man.
Thank you.
No, I mean that, you know? Like, I really trust you because, you know, I don't really have many people that I trust, and you're like one of those people, so...
Is there something troubling you, bro?
Don't call me bro, please. Call me Jay. If you still want to call me bro after I finish telling you what I'm telling you, then that's fine.
Okay.
What I say is to stay between us. I mean it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I'm not a famous journalist, and I don't have a book deal.
Okay.
No, it's not okay. Everyone here thinks I'm a famous reporter. That's why I'm here. But I'm a fucking no one.
Jay, you are the only reporter willing to risk their life to show the struggle of Somali people.
Yes, I know, but you're missing the point. I'm not a reporter. Okay, I thought I could come here and get a book deal or publish some stuff once I send some pages to editors. But they rejected me, man. They fucking rejected me like every other piece of shit I've written. Fuck! Sorry.
They rejected your work.
Yeah. If Farley finds out, I'm fucking dead. I'm dead. He's gonna kill me.
Perhaps yes, perhaps no. He understands rejection. It's a human trait.
I shouldn't have come here, man. I'm a fucking idiot.
Don't say that, Jay. Don't say that. You had no choice.
Yeah. I came here with the noble idea of exposing the truth, and I lied to everyone around me.
You wake me in the middle of the night to tell me this?
I came here to ask you a favor.
Ask me.
Yeah, okay. I need you to help me get on a ship and film some hostages.
Jay, that is not wise.
I know it's not wise, I know that, but, you know, this is the only way that people out there are gonna give a fuck about what is going on here. It's the only way.
I don't believe that.
Dude, CBS is willing to pay $1,000, okay? I'll split it with you if you can get me on a ship. I'll split it with you. That's $500, American dollars. That's fucking great money, man.
Jay, it's not about money. Once you're in the ship, we cannot protect you. The president won't even allow this.
It's CBS. It's the biggest network.
Yes, and you being a famous reporter, getting killed, that will seal the fate for Somali people as terrorists.
And I'm not famous.
Jay, you will be.
Abdi! They're not publishing my words. Not a single fucking one. Nobody gives a flying fuck about Boya, the struggling fisherman turned Robin Hood pirate. They don't fucking care, man.
Do you know Somali clans used to fight with words rather than weapons?
I knew that. Yes, I did a paper on that.
So you know our great freedom fighter, the poet warrior Muhammad Abdullah Ali Hassan, Sayyidka.
The English called him Mad Mallah.
Ah, you know of him?
Yes, I do. And I also know that iambic pentameter is not going to solve this problem, man. I gotta get on a fucking ship.
I will do something better.
Better? What the fuck? What's better than that?
I was working to get you in a meeting with the Grad.
The Grad?
Yes.
The godfather of pirates?
The man you want to have crazy sex with his wife.
What makes you say that?
You don't think all of Garowe know this?
Does Grad?
If you know, you wouldn't be here.
That's comforting.
He wants me as a translator. So perhaps I trade for the possibility of him and you in a room.
Then you're putting yourself in danger. I don't like that.
No. That's nonsense, Jay.
Why are you helping me like this? Why are you doing that?
You are my bro. I have to help you.
Thanks, man.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're my bro, Jay.
Ooh. Yeah.
Don't worry, okay?
Okay. We're good.
Good night.
Edgar Allan Poe, Oscar Wilde, Herman Melville, H.P. Lovecraft all had one thing in common. They died broke. Completely penniless. So I gotta blame President Fadale a little bit for not asking for all his money up front. After all, I am a writer, not an accountant, right?
Rule number one in life, Assad. Don't blow all your money on drugs. Unless it's definitely gonna lead to some serious ass. Or a Pulitzer Prize. This might not lead to either, but I'd rather die trying. What are you working on? That me?
Yes,
What am I, Santa head?
I think I'm...
That's going up on the board, buddy. Nice. Wish me luck.
Musipa.
Asalama.
Good morning, Marianne.
Morning, Jay.
Could I have 1 kilo of your best cod?
Best.
Yes.
So what is the special occasion?
I'm going to meet your husband in Basasa.
So this card is intended for my husband.
Yes.
Okay?
Is that a problem?
No.
No?
No.
Good. Great. So, any advice on how I can get on his good side?
Are you asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't seen him in months.
Oh. Nothing? A little tidbit, anything like...
Compliment his clothes.
His clothes?
He's proud of how he dresses.
Oh. Yes. Okay, I'll do that. What do you think of my clothes?
They are terribly bland.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Maybe you could take me shopping there.
not happening.
Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
If I rule the world.
What time you got, bro?
He's 1 hour late.
Is there any chance he won't show up?
Maybe, but then we have tomorrow.
What if I told you I spent the last of my money on this cot?
I tell you, Grad won't eat it. Qad dies after 1 day. Useless.
Convenient.
That's Grad.
sidaasay u dhammaanaysa haddii ilaahay xaaladada ka waran haye oo ninkaa sheegaysay ma ninkaan ba
Please tell Garad that I like his tie. Yeah. Tell him. Where did he get it? Where from?
waxay sameeyey Dolce Gabbana.
Dolce Gabbana?
Here.
Yeah, I heard that. What about the suit?
Suit kale.
ma awoodo Dolce Gabbana.
Knew it.
wax ma aha Dolce
I knew it was Dolce Gabbana.
No,
It's awesome, man.
It's not.
It's really, really
It's
good.
not Dolce Gabbana.
It's not Dolce Gabbana.
No, it's a knockoff.
It's a knockoff. Well, that's, I mean, it looks amazing. You would never even know. I have a gift for you. The best cut money can buy.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
qaadkan xagee ka keentay
He wants to know where you buy this card from.
Where?
Where?
In the market in Garowe.
wuxuu ka soo gaday suuqa qaadka Garowe.
macaamiishayda khaaska ayuu ka mid yahay ma rabo inaan hadda xabad iskaga khasaariyo waa macaamiishayda khaaska.
He thought so. You got it from one of his close dealers. So now he doesn't want to waste a bullet in here.
Good. Thank you for not killing me. Don't tell him that. So, tell me about yourself, Garowe. Is this okay?
Yes, yes.
waxaan fuliyey 800 iyo in ka badan oo falal afduub ah.
You have more than 800 hijackers.
13 kooxood oo igu kala teedsan Boosaaso to Ayl.
That is spread from Boosaaso to Ayl.
That is a lot. Very impressive. Very impressive. Now, I recently did an interview with WAA, who's sort of a...
waxaa igu soo qaaday magacoodii WAA iyo afaarahaas iyo.
He doesn't want to hear anything about WAA. He's saying he's no one, you know.
Say no more. Say no more. I understand you're a very different man from him, and I was just wondering if you could maybe elaborate on that.
kooxdayda iyo booya isku mid maahan annaga waxaan uga duwanahay kooxdayadii.
With his group, it's a must to destroy anyone and everyone that's doing illegal fishing.
Is it fair to say that any ship that is traveling your waters, be it fishing, cargo, yacht, that ship is fair game for your organization to take?
diin kastoo doon kastoo meesha soo marta ama markab kastoo meesha soo mara wuxuu rabaa ha noqdo wuxuu rabaa ha wado waa qaadan kartaan.
haddii aan isdhaxno.
It doesn't matter what they are.
wixii burburinii dhibaato idinku hayo haddaan u aragno.
They are doing something wrong. They should be punished.
And we will keep going till our seas are cleansed of illegal fishing vessels.
I am Chairman. Can you come back?
I don't know the names of any of the ships. And I don't care.
Yo, hey, how's it going?
Gather your things. We're going to Ale.
Ale?
Yes.
I gotta get this Garowe interview out, buddy.
The ship will not wait for you.
A ship?
Yes, there is a German freighter called Victoria being held in the harbor. The pirate in charge is a friend of Colonel Umar.
You can get me on a ship?
Do you want to be on the ship?
Yeah.
Because I had to fight both Parola and Colonel on this idea for you.
Dude, I thought you were against me getting on a ship.
I am. Parola told me to collect $500 from you. 4 costs before you leave. Do you have it?
I don't have that, man. I'm broke.
Jay.
No, I'm broke, man. I told you that. I'm sorry, man. I didn't know. I didn't want to put you in that spot, but...
Yeah, you spend it on bad drugs.
Yeah, I have the pirate stone. You know, give an interview without the drug. I mean, I don't know what you want me to say. I'm sorry, man.
You cannot break Parola words, man. He's a very exact man.
It'll be okay, man. It's not gonna... no one's gonna be in trouble. I'll figure it out, okay? I mean, thank God you get me on this fucking ship. It's $1,000 right there. I'll give you the other 5, man.
Meet me downstairs. Let's go.
Garowe, meet Avril.
This is where my clan, the Jarfa, died, fighting for freedom against the English and their colonization. We have no monuments here. Those bones below those rocks will remain anonymous to outsiders, but never to us. They are why we are here today. So marka asxaabe Somali aan u duceeyno fante. Ilaahay Somali qabilka ka madoobay. Ilaahay Somali israaxsi. Aamin. Ilaahay midnimo iyo barwaaqo kan. Inta dhimtana la u naxariisto. Anagana Ilaahay aan naxariisto. When we get into town, it's very important that you say that you are with the clan Rajar Fale.
You want me to be a part of your clan?
Yes, you are son of Levish. He's light-skinned local man.
Okay, that makes sense. Ver Jafale. Ver Jafale.
Yes, it is very important you say this, or you're not gonna last longer in this town, even with us here.
Shit. Okay.
You have to say it right.
What is it again?
Rajar Fale, son of Levish.
Rer Jafale, son of Levish.
It's two different words.
Go slowly for me, okay? Rer
Jarfale.
Jafale.
Jarfale.
Jafale.
No, you're not saying it right.
Rer Jafale. Is that the Victoria?
It is. Aywa.
Como jogamos?
Tell him. No.
ninka qabiilkiisa yaa waay
qabiilkiisa
ha ninka qabiilkiisa yaa waay ninka yaa waay
He wants to know your clan.
Rea Jafar.
Her Jafar.
Son of Levish.
He thinks you're funny.
Was that the goal?
Humor opens doors in this town.
Yeah? You got Whitey good. Got him real good.
That was good?
Mr. Bahadur, we are not a criminals. Right. No one here likes pirates.
Correct.
That ship is the last one here. Everyone in L will be happy to see them go.
Do you think they'll be leaving soon?
That's what we have heard. So they will leave soon.
Okay.
Mr. Bahadur's book is going to shed new lights on Somali. And also the president is very, very excited. Really excited.
Have you read any of it, Colonel Omar?
No, actually, but I trust it will be good. Very good. Won't it, Mr. Bahadur?
Yes. It's exciting. Very exciting story and very informative on different levels. It's very exciting.
Mr. Bahadur, I'm a spokesperson for the women of Ail. Our children need education. Our schools have been lost. Never rebuild it after the tsunami. Will you book talk of this?
Yes.
Good. Oh, Martin. Thank you. Good.
What is the name of your book?
I'm still working on it. Still trying to figure that out.
Jay, is perfectionist with his words.
Oh, we will see.
I am Real Jaffer, son of Lennox.
You might want to save your battery.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. You think I'll get on?
The man in charge of the operation, his name Computer. They say he is psychic.
Psychic? Is that good or bad?
The colonel's contact on the ship thinks it will happen.
All right. I am scared, Abdi. Shit, man. I mean, there's no other way. I hope you understand that.
This is the path you choose as a man. It's not for me to understand. I am going to sleep now.
All right. Good night, buddy. Fucking heck.
بقول لما اسبوع انا بركب لكن الحقيقه وحي انا مشغول ان شاء الله ما هي امريكان
You stay here, man. I will do the talking. Okay.
Don't worry, brother.
Okay.
We'll make this work.
Good. Good. Thank you.
Did you say no?
Fuck! I'm a journalist! Don't fucking shoot! I'm a journalist! It's okay! Don't fucking shoot me! Okay? The money is gonna come faster if you let me video the hostages. All right? Please don't shoot me! Please don't shoot! If you let me video, the world will see you're serious. The world will see you are serious, and the shippers will settle. Okay? Tell your leader to come here. Tell him that. Please. Please, okay? It's true. It's true. The money's gonna come so much faster if you let me video, okay? All right? It's true. I promise. I promise. Okay?
I will talk to computer. What do you say could make sense?
Good.
Come back tomorrow for answer.
Okay. Okay, great.
Go, move.
Thank you. What about Hatsate? What about Hatsate?
Abdi, did you see that shit?
Oh, that was dangerous, brother. You didn't have to come out. That was dangerous.
Fuck, dude. Oh! Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
What was that?
What do you mean, what was that?
I told him not to come down, man. I told him not to come down.
Get out there.
Don't do this.
Get me on,
Don't
man.
do this,
You
man.
weren't gonna get me on. You weren't gonna get shit.
What are you going to listen, man?
I out there, and I made it happen, because that's what I'm doing these days, baby. I'm making shit happen.
You never listen, man.
Hey, wake up, Mr. Badur. Wake up.
What?
Wake up right now, man.
We're in.
Right now.
We're on. All right. It's gone.
Next time you follow my orders, man. It's what you CIA.
Fucking serious? CIA?
Yeah.
Me?
Of course.
Fuck!
Abdi, no!
He say he's your father. He called my phone.
My father?
Yes.
Really?
He called my phone.
Hello? Dad?
Jesus, Jay, thank God you're okay. We've been watching this whole Captain Phillips hostage thing on CNN. You've got to get the hell out of there.
Dad, I'm fine. What are you talking about?
But those pirates are crazy. They're threatening to kill Americans.
Dad, I'm Canadian. I thought at least you would know that.
No time for joking, Jay. We want you on the next plane out.
Dad, I understand your concern, but it's gonna be okay. It's not a big deal.
Jay, sweetheart, you need to come home.
Hi, Mom. I was just telling Dad I'm fine.
But we're watching CNN right now, and it is not fine.
Mom, the media is probably spinning some bullshit tale. I've heard nothing about it here.
It must be the opium. He's probably become one of those child soldiers.
You're going to kill your mother, Jay, unless you say you're going to come home.
Okay. But I need money wired.
Money?
See, it's the opium. I told you.
Yeah, I didn't want to ask you guys, but, you know, I don't really have a choice. Somali is expensive. Who knew?
Reports are now 3 U.S. Navy ships are steaming towards the Maersk, Alabama.
vessel to be taken by pirates.
The destroyer, the USS Bainbridge, is on the scene. Apparently, Captain Phillips, the ship's captain, has been taken hostage by the fleeing pirates in a covered lifeboat. Hostage standoff ended today with the death of the 3 pirates and the eventual release of their hostage, Captain Richard Phillips.
Somali pirates throughout the country reacted angrily, saying they will capture and kill any foreigners they find to avenge their comrades' death.
At this time, no one is taking credit for the operation. We will get answers soon because my father is demanding it.
Mr. Farole, 3 pirates have been killed by the Americans. There is going to be revenge. And it's too dangerous for Master Bahadur to remain here in Garowe.
No, it's not. I will keep a low profile.
Just like you did in A.
It was a mistake, okay?
You keep saying it's a mistake.
I'm sorry about that. I was a little high-strung, okay? I have learned from it. I'm all good now. I'm not going to do that again.
I agree with the colonel, okay? I think we have to get you out of here. We do not need any harm coming to you. Do you understand that?
I get that.
Do you understand that?
Mr. Futterley, I understand that, okay? I understand your concern.
It doesn't look like you understand.
I understand his concern for my safety, but you need somebody here. I need to find out who's behind this, okay? I need to interview them.
No,
so I can interview them.
No.
That's why you're fucking here. That's why you've been protecting me the whole time.
People are dying, okay?
Madness. Cat's eating his brain.
Cat is not eating my fucking brain.
I can see that.
There's no one else here from the West Side. Your father needs somebody on his side. He needs somebody on his side. All of fucking Somalia needs somebody on their side.
Mr. Bahadur, this is not negotiable. I cannot risk your blood on my hands. Okay?
Okay.
Abdi, Kali, can you please make arrangements for Mr. Bahadur to fly home tomorrow? Enter Samay.
Yes, Mr. Farole.
And make sure his account is settled.
Account settled. Okay.
Ikeda Khaji.
Please tell me my parents sent me that money.
Yes. It's already in the bank.
Really?
Yes.
That's the best news. The fucking best. Oh, Mom and Dad, I love you. You think we could set up a final meeting with Boya?
I already have, bro.
You did?
Yes, we're actually running late.
Where's our rig?
For once, you're local.
Yes. Is this necessary?
Do you see me wearing my Obama hat?
What did I say? They
Everything good from the government.
We're meeting with Boya. We're meeting. Tell them that I have a gift in my bag for Boya. If they let me open it, I can show them. I'm not fucking joking. It's a fucking gift for Boya.
How do you want that boy? How do you want that boy? How do you want that boy? Show them, please.
It's all cool. It's all cool. It's all cool. It's all cool.
وراني راح يستلم. أنا أقول لك Blue Jays.
قسع كلونك
كان تونة
ودنكين waa laga dhoofin jiray
was the only export from the country.
maanta waa aragtaa qasicii kalluunka waa lagu toogasho baranaya.
And today it's very sad. All it's good for is a target the size of a man's heart.
Is that what you aim for?
مو حسن شستا.
waa hadday lagama maarmaanta.
If necessary.
You're an amazing shot.
سي عادي أنا واحد توقتها.
Oh.
No. Sorry. I will totally suck. I'm terrible. Not even.
warqabaha u arkin cadowgaaga.
I'm shooting.
waxa u aragtaa qalbigaaga.
Say don't aim as your enemy, but shoot for your lover's heart.
That's super fucked up. I don't know what that means, but all right. Right.
Yosi. قسع waa kaasa.
He wants to know who is the lucky girl.
That is an ex-girlfriend who's getting married to someone else.
waa goor aan la socon jiray oo hadda nin kala guursanaysa.
waa rasaas qasaas.
He say it's a waste of bullets.
You think? I mean, I nailed that shit. Hit it.
waa saxa u dhufto ku leeyahay.
guushaada wax raaxa amale. waa iska aargooso shown.
There is no joy in your victory, only revenge.
wuxuu rabaa inuu weydiiyo markabka Maraykanka la weeraray.
He say he know why you come. You want to know about the American ship that have been attacked, but he want to tell you he didn't do it.
Does he know who did?
Mogdahay. Yes, me.
jawaabtaad
No.
waxa jidka ugu fudud aad ka heli kartid.
But the easiest way to find out
waa inaad tagtaa meelaha lagu qayiro.
is to follow the cut. Marian will know. You find her?
No.
Boya has been arrested.
What?
The president is feeling the pressure over the American hijacking.
Boya didn't do anything.
He's done enough.
Shit.
Jay, don't worry. Your words will reach the Western people. I know.
Now I see why you stay out here in the morning. It's a different view.
This is real?
What?
You? In my bedroom?
Yeah.
Wow.
I needed to talk to you. What's all this?
These are the plot points to my book. I like to write everything down, keep it all organized.
A crazy man to come here to write, you know that.
I'm not the one who snuck in past security into my room.
Well, I've come to warn you. My husband is responsible for the attacks on the Americans.
Garowe?
And he plans on retaliating against the Americans for killing his crew. If you stay here, you will most certainly die.
Does he know I'm Canadian?
I don't think that will matter much. This card bears my name. What does it say?
You don't read English?
Not so well.
That card says that you're the hottest drug dealer in the world.
Is that what it says?
Yes.
I like that. Well, this is my number. Don't text me. I like voices.
Me too.
And please, if you can, send me movies or magazines that shows my people for who they really are. I'm tired of watching fools pretending they're Somalis in Black Hawk Down.
Deal. The next morning, Garowe claimed credit for the attack on the Maersk, Alabama, and said, "I vow to attack any ship flying an American flag for the retaliation of the brutal killing of our friends." Within hours, he delivered on his words by attacking the humanitarian relief vessel, the MV Liberty Sun, with rocket-propelled grenades. My time to leave had come.
Yo! Baracho Anaksan. Hey. Mahat Sanid.
Yeah, I think
I got her number. Colonel, thank you for your protection.
I will do anything for our Palestine, Plebish.
All right.
worry, man. I will look for you on the bestseller list. I am sure of it.
What is this offensive gesture to Somalis?
No, it's not defensive. Even this is not defensive, you see.
What?
I was messing with you that day.
6 months? You didn't tell me?
The look on your face.
I'm doing this forever.
What does this thing mean?
This means hope.
Hope?
Yes.
Okay, I'll spread that message.
Please do.
Yes. Take care. Islam.
They say in Somalia, every man is his own sultan. Then in my mind, Abdi was a glorious king among sultans. Upon landing back in the cell zone known as Toronto, Canada, I got 234 unopened text messages. 165 were from news services offering to buy my Garad interview. 8 were from publishers wanting to buy my book rights. And 4 of them were from Tracy. I decided if she really wanted to know what was going on in my life, she could read about it.
Excuse me, can I see your passport?
Passport?
Follow me, please.
Hello, Mr. Bahadur.
Hello.
I'm Agent Bryce. I'm with CSIS.
Okay. Am I in some sort of trouble?
Quite the opposite. We're very anxious to learn if you could give us any insight that you may have gained while in Somalia.
But you want me to give you insight?
Look, both the U.S. and the Canadian intelligence are basically flying blind in the region. So we could use some help.
Oh my God. Wow. Okay. My parents are doing the circling thing.
Right. Okay. All right. Well, tell you what. Why don't you give me a call when you're settled in?
Toronto had stayed perfectly intact despite my absence. I couldn't vouch for the napkin patterns inside each home we drove past. But I had to guess my painstaking research did little to alter the landscape.
We don't want to upset you. We do not know how to tell you this.
Jared's been living in the basement.
What?
Well, you've been gone for 6 months, sweetheart. So, you know, he's sleeping because he has exams in the morning, so it's best that you enter through the front door.
Can I still use the shower, or the pipe's gonna wake him too?
I think tonight we can make an exception.
And you're gonna win the Pulitzer from writing it in our basement.
Today and his fucking basement Pulitzer!
Whose idea was fuck having?
Bahada, you better tell me you got laid at least once over there or I'm leaving. Second thought, don't tell me. Booze is too good to leave.
You guys want to come in really cool?
Let's see what he does with the bottle.
What I like, so. Hey, man.
What are you mumbling about?
Well, just thinking aloud, you know.
Okay. I like that. I like that.
So, what's next, Bahadur?
Next?
What's gonna keep you from spending all your nights in the shadow of those guys?
Well, I got a ton of work to do on the book.
After the book.
After?
Yeah.
Take a look at that.
70-year-old men don't get handed fucking business cards for a reason unless it's a last rites priest. What's it say?
Agent T. Bryce. CSIS.
CSIS?
Yeah?
They talked to you.
Yes, they did.
What'd they say?
They were anxious to listen to what I learned over there.
Anxious, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Anxious?
Mm-hmm.
Could bring opportunity.
That's what I think.
Oh. Christ, you ever smoked this fucker yet?
Not yet. I've been tempted, though.
You're hopeless.
Fucking thing. Awawan Abena.
That's Somali.
Yes.
What does it mean?
Tonight, we drink.
Oh, that's good to hear. I thought you were gonna say, tonight we fuck.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
State your name and work position for the committee.
Sure. My name is Jay Bahadur. I'm a Canadian citizen currently living in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm running the Somalia Report, which is the largest and, in fact, the only English-language news site devoted to Somalia.
Mr. Bahadur, you're considered one of the foremost experts on Somali piracy, are you not?
I have some knowledge, sir.
Some knowledge would be an understatement. Your book on piracy is currently on the New York Times bestseller list, is it not?
Yes, that's true, sir.
In your opinion, what's the most effective way for us to combat this current piracy trend and make shipping lanes safe for our vessels?
Well, that's a very general question, sir.
Well, your best answer is all we ask, sir.
Okay. I know there's a lot of collective knowledge in this room, so I apologize if what I'm about to say is old news to some of you. I did a paper on the subject my freshman year at university, and it just stuck with me.
A school paper?
Yes.
Are we gonna hear your grade too?
No, sir, that is classified. In 2002, Somaliland held an election where the minority clan won the presidential office by 80 votes, and the transition of power was completely peaceful. No violence, not one shot fired. That doesn't happen anywhere in Africa. That doesn't even happen here. Anyway, it caught my eye and made me start to fall in love with Somalia, and ultimately made me go there to find out what made them different. After spending my last 5 years immersed in their country's struggles, they don't need your warships off their coast. What they need is to be recognized by all of you for the incredibly complex but honorable culture that they are. A fledgling democracy doesn't make headlines like pirates do. You guys wouldn't be sitting here talking to me if I wrote a book on a fledgling democracy. Hell, I couldn't even afford this suit if I wrote a book on a fledgling democracy. All I'm asking is that you guys start to look at Somalia in a different way. Not so much as them versus us, but rather look at Somalia as us when we were young.
I'd never seen a diamond in the flesh. I caught my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. Hey. In the torn up town, no postcard envy. But every song is like gold teeth, Grey Goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball guts, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams. But everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We're not caught up in your love affair, and we will never be royal. It don't run in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. And let me be your ruler. You can be my queen bee. Baby, I rule. Let me live that fantasy. Yeah. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party. And everyone that knows us knows that we're fine with this. We didn't come from money. But every song is like gold teeth, Grey Goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball guts, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams. But everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We're not caught up in your love affair, and we will never be royal. It don't run in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. So let me be your ruler. And you can be my queen bee. Baby, I rule. Let me live that fantasy. Oh, oh, hey, oh, oh yeah, oh, yep. Cadillacs in our dreams, and we will never be royal. It don't run in our blood. That kind of love just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. And let me be your ruler. I can be your king bee. Baby, I rule. So let me live that fantasy.
Bye.